In this video, I am going to show you how to sign up for a Paramount Plus account. And in between the video, I am sharing the method that how you can get 30 days free trial of Paramount Plus. So watch the video till the end. I will be doing this on a web browser, but the process is very similar if you are using the app version. If you would like to get to the sign up page quickly, then I have provided the link in the description to get you started. When you visit the Paramount Plus website, click on the try it free button. Then you will need to choose your plan. Paramount Plus offers two main options like Paramount Plus Essential, which will cost you $59.99 a year. After the free trial, that's like $5 per month, and you will get 1 week free to start with. And another option is Paramount Plus with Showtime, which will cost you $119.99 a year. And after the free trial, that's like $10 per month. This plan includes short-time content along with Paramount Plus. If you are planning to stick with it long term, then annual plan is the best choice to save money. For this demo, we will choose the Paramount Plus Essential Plan. We have to click on the Continue to Free Trial. Okay, now we are on the account creation page. This is where you need to fill out some details. Firstly, put in your full name and your email address. Then you will need to create a strong password and add your zip code. Next, they will ask you for your date of birth and gender. And lastly, you will see an option to sign up for marketing emails. If you are okay with getting updates from them, leave that box checked. But if you are not interested, just uncheck it. Once you have got everything filled in, then click on continue. Now we are at the payment page. Don't worry, you are still in the trial period. But you need to enter the payment details to complete the process. You will need to fill in your name and address, like your city, state and zip code. Then just add your credit card number. And on the right side of the page, you will see a reminder of the plan you picked and how you are getting that 1 week of free trial. Also, if you don't want to use your card, you can choose to pay with PayPal for a little extra security. Once you have filled in your payment details, you are all set. You will be now able to enjoy your Paramount Plus free trial. If you decide it's not for you, just remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid any charges. The Paramount Plus Essential Plan free trial includes thousands of movies and episodes, NFL on CBS and UEFA Champions League, limited ads and 24/7 live news with CBS News. Now let me tell you a trick. If you buy Walmart Plus subscription, then you will get a 30 days free trial of it, and it also includes 30 days free trial of Paramount Plus Essential Plan. So you can take advantage of both. If you just want to enjoy that free trial and don't plan on keeping the subscription, so let me know in the comment section so I can make a full video on how to cancel your Paramount Plus subscription. And if you found this video valuable, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides like this.